subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, सर अब्दुल सत्तार खान इस यूट्यूब चैनल में आप तमाम का इस्तकबाल है। 11th इंग्लिश न्यू सिलेबस 2.6 द प्लानर्स एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम देखेंगे। लेट्स बिगिन। अबाउट द पोएम, पोएट एंड टाइटल। In the poem, the planners, poet Boy Kim Cheng laments the constant development of Singapore, where he hails from. The city has been taken over by the powerful people, politicians, industrialists, influential builders, all people who are looking for profits. The title indicates there are plans for some activity. Second point, a theme, summary, gist of the poem. The central idea is how ruthlessly the people in control of a city tear down old structures to build new ones. With mathematical precision, the engineers plan the city, not leaving a bit of space unused for profit. Old structures are demolished and new ones come up as the builders and planners work to make the city look perfect. The poet compares the work to the dentist's when he repairs and removes crooked or decaying teeth to create a pearly artificial set for a perfect smile. The seas and skies seem to surrender as even the historic value of the past is destroyed. Fossils are drilled through. Poetic style and language, poetic devices used in the poem. The poem is in free verse, यानी यहाँ पर कोई rhyme scheme नहीं रहेगा, तो ये free verse poem है. There are run-on lines in enjambment and no rhyme scheme. Figures of speech used in alliteration. पहला है alliteration. Permutation of possibilities, the skies surrender with a dental dexterity, with gleaming gold, anesthesia, amnesia. यानी यहाँ पर आपको A, G, D, S और PP ये अल्फाज की गर्दान देखने को मिलेगी। फिगर ऑफ स्पीच में दूसरा है आयरनी. दे इरेज द फ्लॉज, द ब्लेमिशेस ऑफ द पास्ट, builders tear down ugly historic monuments. Knock off useless blocks with dental dexterity. The country wears perfect rows of shining teeth. Like a dentist, it creates new teeth for a pretty smile. The old city is demolished for a better looking city. So history is now new again, our past is tomorrow. Both the lines speak of the disregard for the past. While building something modern and perfect, there is imagery. Special features, novelties and focusing elements. The poet very effectively uses multiple poetic devices even in short lines and in few words. The poet does not use strong language to put forward his feelings about his country's plight. The focus is clear on the extensive building, but he seems to quietly disapprove of the way the past and the heritage are being wiped out. It could be like the helpless elders who do have the strength to stop the activity. Message, values of the poem, morals in the poem. The message is over-exploitation of land for human occupation. There is no regard for emotions linked to the past nor for nature, which is leveled and built over for a modern look. अगला पॉइंट है your opinion about the poem. The poem is powerful in spite of having been written in seemingly easy language. The words are so beautifully strung together with effective poetic devices having maximum effect on the reader. The idea is universal and the laminate could be of anyone opposed to ruthless modernization at the cost of nature and heritage.